Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and I do get some people that sometimes tell me in the past couple of weeks that they've upgraded to the November 2019 update, and there are some features that are missing or something that I actually shown, and they say, well, I don't have that option. Some of these options are options that come from apps. So sometimes what you need to do is make sure that the apps are updated. So go into your Microsoft Store in your PC. And for example, a lot of people have been mentioning that the phone app doesn't work exactly like they see it on my screen. So go in the upper right corner, the three horizontal dots, click Downloads and Updates. And make sure that you click Get Updates so that all the apps update regularly. So you see here, I got an update for your phone app that was dated November 15th. So make sure that you've got the latest updates of all of these apps so that you have also all the latest options available. For example, I suspect that some of you that have been saying that when you click on the date and time, you don't have the event possibility here like I have right now. And I think that's linked to the fact that you need to have an updated calendar app in your PC for this to work well. So that's very important to check it out. And remember, because somebody was saying, well, when I click the Action Center, I don't have that. It's not the Action Center. You got to click on the clock. I did click the clock in the video. So you got to choose the correct options. And in some markets, it's possible that some of the options are not available. Not every country around the world has the same options and the same settings. So it's important to understand that. So maybe where you are, an option is not available. Also, I'll have a separate video because we're going to talk about your phone app. A lot of people have been asking questions on that one. We're going to check out the different things that you can do with your phone app. But one of the options might have been removed right now on the November 2019 update, as I see that the phone mirroring is not there right now on my app. So anyways, we'll talk about that in a separate video. So remember to make sure that you update your apps to the latest version. And remember that you need to be on 18363.476, like you see here, in order to have all of that working on your computer. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.